Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce interest charges with Citibank, beginner guide step by step clearly. To reduce interest charges with Citibank, start by reviewing your current credit card statement. Look for the annual percentage rate, or APR, which shows the interest rate on your balance. Consider making payments more frequently, such as bi-weekly or weekly, rather than just once a month. This strategy can help reduce the average daily balance on your account. Next, explore balance transfer options that Citibank may offer. Transferring a balance to a card with a lower interest rate can significantly decrease interest charges. Be mindful of any balance transfer fees and calculate if the savings outweigh the cost. Next, keep your credit utilization ratio below 30%. This means using less than 30% of your available credit limit. Paying down existing balances can improve your credit score and lower your interest rate in the long run. Consider enrolling in Citibank's automatic payment feature. This ensures that at least the minimum payment is made on time, helping you avoid late fees and potential interest hikes. If eligible, inquire about a lower interest rate with customer service. Sometimes, a simple phone call can result in reduced rates based on your payment history. Additionally, stay informed about promotional offers from Citibank. These promotions may include zero-interest offers for a limited time on new purchases or balance transfers. Regularly monitor your credit report for any errors that may impact your interest rate. Dispute any inaccuracies to help maintain your credit score. Lastly, create a budget to plan your expenses and payments. Consistently paying more than the minimum will help you pay off the balance quicker. By following these steps, you can effectively reduce interest charges with Citibank. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.